Today I'm going to make cornmeal pudding. So I have cornmeal. This is medium grind, so I'm going to put it in my food processor or blender to get the grains finer. If you have fine cornmeal, that is the one that you need to use. I have sugar, butter, coconut milk. I'm going to be using all my spices, and I'm going to be adding Ray and Nephew. So we are going to make that today. Continue to watch the video. Put your butter in a saucepan and put it on low heat and let it melt. So here I have my medium cornmeal, and I'm going to put it in a blender just to grind it out and make it fine. Okay, so I have my sifted cornmeal, and I'm gonna add 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and you just wanna sift all the ingredients in one dry bowl. I'm gonna add all my dry ingredients to this cornmeal flour mixture. So next I'll add half a tablespoonful of cinnamon powder, half a tablespoon of nutmeg, half teaspoon of allspice. Mix the ingredients well. Okay, in a bowl, large bowl, add 2 cans of coconut milk. Oh, this is thick. So that's our coconut milk, so that would be 2 cans of coconut milk. Add 2 cups of brown sugar. I'll do 1 tablespoonful of vanilla, correction. Set aside a cup of this milk mixture, and that we'll use when we're going to make the custard on top of the pudding. Continue to add your other ingredients. So we'll do a teaspoon of salt. Salt is optional, you can use less or more. Add half a cup of melted butter. Two tablespoons of white rum. That's our white rum there. Add 1 tablespoon molasses. Add another tablespoon of vanilla extract. Add 2 cups of water to the coconut mixture. Okay. Okay, so we're going back to our dry mixture, and we've mixed it well. we're just gonna add our wet to our dry ingredient. So mix a little well, and then we're going to add our wet to the dry. So you can pour in like half of it and then mix and then half. So as soon as the liquid hits the dry ingredient, it will want to clump together. So you want to mix it well so that you don't have any clumps formed in your mixture. Out the lumps if you have any lumps. As I said, because of the type of cornmeal that I use, it has a little bit of bigger grains in there. Alright. Okay, so after we've greased our pirate dish or whatever container you're going to use, you're just going to pour the cornmeal batter into that container, and the purpose of greasing the can is to prevent it from sticking, so that when you're cutting into your pudding, you're not losing all that delicious crust to this side of the bowl. So now I have my raisins that I just dusted with some flour. And the reason why you dust it with flour is so that it doesn't sink to the bottom of the pudding. So we just have to sprinkle it through and through so that every part of it gets. So this is about half a cup of raisins. And just a little flour, not too much. I don't want it to be floury, just a dusting of flour. Just a dusting of flour. Alright, so there we have it. We're going to pop that into the oven and bake for 1 hour. Okay. I'm just going to add the coconut milk custard that I made earlier. Make sure it's all right. So now you'll put it back into the oven for another 20 minutes. And then that will be it. All right. Okay, so this is our finished pudding. The top didn't come out as soft as I would like, but the taste is there, the flavor is there, so let's dig in. So guys, this is my cornmeal pudding. I didn't get the folonka on top, but it's nice texture. It's not dry. It's a perfect moist consistency, and I think it's just because the type of coconut milk that I use. But if you use real coconut and follow the steps, it will come out perfect. So the recipe is perfect, the outcome is perfect. Just the folonka didn't work out so well, but it's moist and delicious. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bless.